Now here are the list of ingredients for this recipe. You need your oat flour, your oat flakes, your plant-based milk, honey, Greek yogurt, your baking powder, your chocolate chips or chocolate flakes, and vegetable oil. Welcome back to my channel. This recipe is very easy and it's not going to take time at all. It is very easy to follow and it's a healthy recipe for weight loss. Now I'm adding in my oat flour onto my bowl. Then I'm going to add in my oats flakes, half cup of your oats flakes. Don't worry, the measurements will be in the description box. It's something, the ingredients is very easy. You can get them from a nearby shopping mall or any close shopping mall, any shopping mall close to your house. Now after mixing in the oat flour and the oat flakes and the baking powder, I'm going to mix in the wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients now, I need 2 eggs and I need my plant-based milk. You can make do with any plant-based milk of your choice. I use soya milk. You can use almond milk, but make sure it is the unsweetened kind. So I am just going to add in the 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Then I'm going to go on now to add in my honey. I'm going to mix my wet ingredients together and also set aside. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. We are learning how to make a very yummy, attractive recipe, oatmeal healthy cupcakes for weight loss. So if you are on a weight loss journey and you're looking for an easy breakfast recipe that you can make without stress, that will help you lose weight and keep you full for longer, this is the recipe you should try. Now I'm done mixing my wet ingredients. We are going on now to the full process. I'm going to add in my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients and mix all of them together. That is it. This recipe is halfway through. If you have watched to this point, I want you to thumbs up this video. It helps YouTube to recommend my videos the more. Comment, to like and share, and I would love that you try this recipe and get back to me and tell me what was your result. Now after mixing in the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together, I'm going to go now to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Make do with any healthy vegetable oil you can find in your kitchen. I would suggest olive oil, just 2 tablespoons, but I use rapeseed oil, and to me it was perfect. I just used 2 tablespoons. You do not need more than 2 tablespoons. I'm going to go on now to add in my chocolate chips. You'll be asking me, you're adding chocolate and you call it a healthy cake. Yes, the dark kind of chocolate, which is what I used in this recipe, is healthy. It contains lots of antioxidants that you wouldn't want to miss out, and it is good for your body. So this recipe is packed with lots of nutrients. After mixing it together, I'm going to go on now to prepare my pan by adding my cupcake paper into my cupcake pan, then adding 1 tablespoon scoop each into the cupcake pan, and if I need to top it up I would. Then I'm going to add in some chocolate chips on top of the cake just to make it look more appealing and attractive to the eyes. When I'm done with all the cupcake, we're going to get ready to bake. Now this recipe gave me about 9 small to medium sized cupcake, which I think is fair. If you have it for breakfast, you may just need like 2. This one will take you for like 2-3 days. Now we're going to bake in an oven of 180 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you heat up your oven 10 minutes before adding in your cupcake, and do not bake for more than 30 to 35 minutes. This is the beauty you get at the end of the day. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this yummy? I want you to try this recipe and tell me what you think. It is so easy, it is so yummy, it is attractive, it is satisfying, and most importantly, healthy. Thank you so much for stopping by Debbie's Kitchen. Do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. Comment, tell me what you think about this recipe. I'm so excited about this recipe, and I know you will be excited too. Bye-bye. Good to have you here. See you next time.